Hello, I'm Janna Champagne, an autism mom and United Patients Group medical advisor and patient advocate, here to answer your burning questions about cannabis for autism. Today's question is, how might cannabis help a child suffering from autism symptoms? The answer is that cannabis has proven to be a powerful tool for addressing the symptoms of autism, including anxiety, neurological overstimulation, self-injury or pain, aggression, tics or seizures, and inflammation in the gut, brain, and immune system that is synonymous with autism. In addition to being effective in providing autism symptom management, cannabis supplementation fills a vital nutrient deficiency that actually contributes to autism symptoms called endocannabinoid deficiency. This represents an impaired ability to produce cannabinoids internally by our endocannabinoid system. And when we supplement with cannabinoids from the cannabis plant, it can seamlessly fill in for this known deficiency that is linked with autism. To learn more, please check out the links on this page, including my research-cited articles and videos, which explain the science of cannabis for autism harm reduction in detail. United Patients Group recommends Unity Formulas CBD for targeting the specific needs found in those suffering autism symptoms and extends their coupon code UPG15 for a 15% discount off your Unity Formulas purchase at www.unityformulas.com. If you need even more assistance, I also encourage you to click the book a consultation link and schedule a session with an autism knowledgeable United Patients Group cannabis nurse. Be informed and be well.